Guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we can take a quick look at their hair care. So they have the shampoo and the conditioners. Then they have the Suave clarifying shampoo. Okay, that comes in waterfall mist, and this is just the regular clarifying shampoo. This is the sun ripe strawberry, and the juicy apple, and the Suave. Then we get into the VO5, the passion fruits, the shampoo and the conditioner. Then we get into the key lime conditioner and shampoo, and then the extra body conditioner and shampoo. So we come down here, we come into the salon selectives. Here's the shampoo, and then here's the conditioner. This is new, the Suave Men Extra Fresh shampoo. And you have this color blue. You see they have the shampoo and conditioner. It looks like they only have the conditioner of that one. And that one is for strengthening and repair. This one just says for blonde revive. Let's see what they have over here. So it looks like they have the face mask here. So this is one kind, and what is this one? Oh, this is the cucumber one. So this is the face mask. And then I've seen the Daily Defense in here, but I never seen the hydrating coconut hibiscus oil. And here's the conditioner, guys. So I get down here to where they have these scrunchie sponges. They're bringing out such nice stuff for Mother's Day. Then down here they have this one's called Marula Magic shampoo and conditioner, guys, right here. I've never tried this. I don't know, I might try that. And then they have what is this? The body lotions. This is called Aqua Dreams, Darling Heart, Touch of Love. That seems really nice for like a mom's basket. Then they have the exfoliating gloves. And then they have these Bolero wipes. So this one's called Hydrate. It's a 30 count rose coconut. And they have the whole set here because they have the hydrating eye cream, the facial wash, the facial serum, and then the mask. That's pretty cool. Then they have here the spray, the body spray. So that's really nice. And then the fragrance mist. Like, I never seen this before. Okay, so I think that's really nice. You can make an entire basket with these things, guys. Okay. Then this one is the Jasmine Orange Blossom, the facial cream, the mask, and here's more of the lotions. Then here you have the eye pads, and they come in like this. Like, they have the coconut ones. They have this kind. Let's see, they have other kinds. No. So those are the two kind. Then here you have more of the body sprays here. So let me show you what else is new to our location here. So here you have the what is that? The wash, the hand wash. So they even have the matching hand wash to go with that stuff. Then they have the satin eye mask. Look how pretty that one is. Pineapple. I don't know what kind this is. Those are really pretty though. But down here, guys, they have these spa naturals with, they have the flowers inside. This one is chamomile, lavender, rose petal, and the same on this side here. And then you have your hair dyes over here. This is called Bolero Jelly Nutrient Mist, vitamin C and strawberry. I never seen that. Okay, and here they have it in aloe and rose water. And then what is this? This is the jelly serum. We have the Relief, the soothing oatmeal bath treatment. That's nice. And then here are the hairsprays, guys, the salon selectives, and then you have your hair coloring stuff. Then you have your leave-in conditioners, and here's another hairspray brand I never seen, Bella Linda. And here's rice water. Marshmallow rice water loving curls hair mask. And then you have the white rain makes a hairspray too. This is new. Okay, then you have your dry shampoo spray here, the mango butter, the argan oil, the hair food. What is this here? The Pro Style. And then you have more of the Bolero products, like you have the bath bombs and the bath soak and the wipes. The wipe seems to be everybody's favorite. I showed yesterday, I picked up one of these. Guys, this is the sugar coffee body scrub. More of the lotions. Then this one over here is the coconut and rose body gel. So guys, thank you for walking through the hair care aisle over here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.